Okay, I think what you have to understand, what I want to make one correction, there's no such thing as revert. This is a wrong term for people who convert to Islam. This is a term invented by people whose native language was neither Arabic nor English. Revert means to return to something, but usually it's worse. It comes from a misunderstanding of theology as well. Because if you take the hadith, people were born in fitrah. That doesn't mean you were born in as a Muslim. You were born with an innate, natural desire to do good and to worship God. But in order to call yourself Muslim, you need to have the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well. So the word revert is a really theologically and linguistically incorrect. A revert is not a noun; it's a verb. Although now, because people have used it, it's gone into the English dictionaries. Revert, a term used by Muslims for a person who converts to Islam. Revert is something going back. Convert means something new. So I would never use the word revert for Muslim.